I'm Rushil Nabili. Now I will explain about variasi eksternal and internal. Oke, yang pertama saya akan menjelaskan variasi eksternal. Di dalam variasi eksternal ada dua bahasa yang saya ingin jelaskan, yaitu bahasa Bejewa dan Bebewa Selatan, yaitu bahasa saya sendiri, Bebewa Selatan. Misalnya ge walinyamu itu bahasa Wejewa, sedangkan bahasa Wewewa Selatan Ngewaliniamu itu artinya kamu dari mana. Oke, yang kedua, Mumana Abana itu bahasa Laura, Mumana Abah, sedangkan bahasa Wewewa Selatan Munga Abah itu artinya kamu sudah makan. Oke, yang kedua artinya pengu itu bahasa Laura, sedangkan pengu itu bahasa Wewewa Selatan itu artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah begitu. Sedangkan contoh yang keempat, manduru artinya tidur, itu bahasa kode, sedangkan bahasa Wewewa Selatan ndura, manduru dan ndura itu beda, sedangkan artinya sama, yaitu tidur. Yang kelima, haloko itu bahasa kode, sedangkan kako itu bahasa Wewewa Selatan, itu artinya kako. Oke, sedangkan variasi internal dalam bahasa Sumba, misalnya kata sasu makan, artinya saya sudah makan. Sa itu saya, su itu sudah. Kamu pisu, berarti artinya kamu pergi sudah. Itu artinya. Pi itu pergi, su itu sudah. Yang ketiga, tiada artinya tidak ada. Ti itu tidak. Tiada berarti tidak ada. Yang keempat, depu nama sapa. Itu artinya dia punya nama siapa. De itu dia, pu itu punya, sapa itu siapa. Jadi yang kelima, jangan sampai, jangan itu disingkat menjadi jangan sampai, artinya jangan sampai, jangan sampai gitu. Oke, yang kedua, the second is bad language. In my native language, that doesn't need to be spoken is kapore. Kapore itu kalau dalam bahasa Subanya itu sudah sangat kasar sekali, tidak baik begitu. Jadi kapore means an animal affected by a disease. So the term is language that is very bad, or itu sangat tidak, kedengarannya tidak baik untuk semua orang. Jadi kata kapore itu jangan diucapkan. Number 3 is that I analyze the film Doraemon and Nobita. So Doraemon and Nobita are both friends, where Doraemon always accompanies Nobita. So likewise, Nobita is always with Doraemon. So when they go to a kingdom, there they feel treated timid, but the two of them look after and cooperated with each other. And when they were challenged by the soldiers, so they still touch the soldiers together with their other friends. And in the end, they managed to seize and castle in the kingdom. So yang keempat, saya menganalisis Presiden Donald Trump dan Joe Biden. Di dalam debatnya, Presiden Donald Trump said that ada 2,2 million people who are estimated to die in a day from coronavirus. However, President Donald always paid attention to these people by providing school assistance and money to his people. So President Donald Trump has never shown his arrogant attitude to the public. He always gives attention and assistance to people. So who are currently in the coronavirus, even President Donald Trump will distribute cookies to all people in American. And meanwhile, Joe Biden always shows an arrogant attitude. Jadi Joe Biden itu orangnya sombong and does not care about society. President Joe Biden is more concerned with his personality and the wider community. Oke, yang terakhir adalah the level of vitality of the Sumba language using the UNESCO. So the first is in intergeneration, namely the Asian language that is still used by the ancestors until now in is passed on to their children and grandchildren. For example, in Sumba. Yang kedua, until now the number of speakers has decreased due to the modern era. So that today's children most likely use Indonesian language, really use regional language. So the third is the ratio of speakers to the population. The number of indigenous people in Sumba is increasing and the level of new language is also increasing. And the original Sumba language that is used today is no longer used very much in the sense that it is existing. So the fourth is trend in the use of new language. Most of the native Sumbanese people really use their local language. The tendency to use Indonesian language. The fifth is material or illiterate. In Southwest Sumba, there are still people who do not go to school or do not know writing and reading because they are descended from the era of their ancestors, or also because of this own will he doesn't want to go to school. Jadi mereka tidak ingin ke sekolah. So the sixth is Sumba natives language police, including official status on and cannot change from the dialect, moreover the local language. Okay, next. Okay, the attitude of the newcomer community hearing the Sumba language. Usually, if there are a newcomer, they don't use Sumba language but use Indonesian language. Jadi di Sumba kebanyakan sudah ada beberapa orang menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Jadi jarang orang menggunakan bahasa Sumba. So the number and quality of the original Sumba language that here around my village is somewhat existing because some people use Indonesian language. Jadi semua orang di sana itu menggunakan bahasa Indonesia, tidak lagi menggunakan bahasa daerah. Ada sih beberapa yang masih menggunakan bahasa daerah kalau di daerah saya di Sumba. Maybe enough. Thank you.